Rolling with the times, embracing change gracefully. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, roll with the times. This expression is a wonderful example of how language captures the essence of adapting to change. So, let's get rolling and uncover the depths of this phrase together. Roll with the times is a phrase that embodies the concept of adapting to changing circumstances or trends. It suggests moving along with the progression of time and embracing new ideas, technologies, and practices instead of resisting them. The word roll here conveys a smooth, continuous motion forward, highlighting the ease and grace with which one should approach change. In today's fast-paced world, being able to roll with the times is more important than ever. This phrase isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends, it's about maintaining relevance and effectiveness in a constantly evolving environment. Whether it's adopting new technologies, adjusting to cultural shifts, or updating traditional methods, this adaptability is crucial for both personal growth and professional success. To roll with the times can be applied in various aspects of life. For instance, businesses that embrace digital transformation are a perfect example of this phrase in action. They adapt to new market demands and technological advancements to stay competitive. On a personal level, learning new skills or being open to different perspectives are ways individuals can roll with the times, ensuring they remain connected and engaged with the world around them. Understanding and embracing the phrase, roll with the times, can significantly impact how we navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by change. It encourages us to remain flexible, open-minded, and proactive in our approach to life's inevitable shifts. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of adaptability and inspired you to roll with the times in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay curious and open to learning.